Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Muro back again with another video. Can you believe what's happening with Doge? Can you believe Elon Musk is losing his power? What is everybody talking about? The scams going on. What is everybody talking about? The whales? Well, stay tuned to find out. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I've got some more information on a giveaway that just might blow your mind. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back guys. Thanks for tuning in. It's where you come to stay for the entertainment that's given. No, I'm just joking. You want to hear about some crypto news from an average Joe, from someone that's just like you, who's investing and trying to play the game that seems like everyone else is winning at, right? So there's a lot of people out there who are investing in Dogecoin and looking at their profit just go down, down, and down. It's sort of like a sad story that just doesn't seem to end. There's so many things that are going on, and Elon Musk seems like he's losing his power in the crypto market. So what does that mean for you? What does that mean for me, who have a lot invested in Dogecoin? Okay, when I mean a lot, I'm thinking about $200, $300, $400, but that's because I'm just an average person on a budget who's trying to get into this crypto game. So Dogecoin right now has dropped down to 23 cents. I'm in Robinhood right now. Let's take a look. Right now, you're sitting around 23 cents. Yesterday, it was around 24, 25 cents mark, and it's only going down. The articles are suggesting that it's supposed to go down to around the 20 to 19 cents range. So if you're planning on selling, you might want to sell soon. Now, disclaimer, I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm just giving you guys advice. Take it at your own risk. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So enough about that. Let's talk about this other coin that seems to have taken over the market. It's something that Elon Musk has had his eyes on. Let's take a look at an article that shows us just exactly what's going on. Dogecoin price is consolidating in a narrow range as investors move to newer meme coins. Well, that's not good, and that's definitely what you don't want to hear. This range-bound move for Doge is similar to what other similar cryptocurrencies are experiencing as the hype around them withers away. Now, that's something that we all kind of saw coming based upon all the celebrities like Mark Cuban and others who are wanting to join in the Dogecoin bandwagon, put their investment in and hit that dollar and then take it right back out. Well, guess what? That hype is going away. So what are we supposed to do? Let's keep reading. Elon Musk leaves Dogecoin behind. Now, what do we say to the Doge father for leaving the meme, the cryptocurrency, the Doge behind? What is that all about? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense considering that he is the Doge father, right? Hey, I'm just saying, the Doge father leaving Dogecoin doesn't sound like a good story at all. The history between Musk and Dogecoin runs deep. From naming himself the Doge father, talking about on SNL, sending Dogecoin to the moon, the fans have loved Elon Musk for his endorsements, for pushing it, for tweeting about it, and it's always went up. But here lately, it doesn't seem like his tweets have had any power. However, the recent turn of events might leave these supporters sort of dumbfounded as the CEO's allegiance shifted to a newer and a younger version of Dogecoin known as Baby Dogecoin. If it didn't make matters even worse to know that Elon Musk was leaving Dogecoin behind, he sent out a tweet, and this move by the Doge father made matters worse for Doge as he tweeted, "Baby Doge do do do," according to the Baby Shark dance. He sent out a tweet talking about another cryptocurrency that has nothing or any affiliation to do with Dogecoin itself. In fact, Baby Dogecoin has been doing so much better than Dogecoin. It's already went up over 4,000% since it's been created in June. What are we supposed to do in this sort of case? It's not on crypto.com, it's not on Robinhood, and it's not on Webull. It's not on your big player. It's not. It's on some off one. I've looked for it and I thought, man, you know, this doesn't seem like something that I want to get into just because look, I'm cool with Robinhood. I've tried Webull, not really a big fan. I like Robinhood. I got crypto.com. That's how I got Shiba Inu with. I've got some other ones too. But look, the hype with Dogecoin is slowly withering away. So as a heads up, I'm looking to invest more into something that I told you guys about yesterday, which is AMC. They're believing that AMC is going to hit up to $250. And that's amazing considering the fact of where it's at now. So as some advice to give you guys, if you're looking at jumping into anything right now to invest in, I'm not saying what to do, what to sell, what to buy. All I'm saying is what I'm going to do, your average Joe, the guy who's just doing his best to stay afloat, I'm going to invest more into AMC because it's more of a sure thing. And the way that they're talking good about it and how it's going to go up and how it's going to be just like GameStop one day, that's something that I definitely want to invest into. Now, moving on with Dogecoin, will Dogecoin ever reach $100? AMC will, Dogecoin, not too likely. There's a high probability that Dogecoin will reach $1 per coin. $10 per Dogecoin is also likely within this decade. However, it's impossible that Dogecoin will ever get to $100 per coin. Let's explain. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin doesn't have a cap. In order to keep the network secure and operational, there's always an incentive of 5 billion coins per year for miners. By the end of 2030, there will be 180 billion Dogecoin in circulation. If Dogecoin reaches $1 valuation per token, the total market cap of Dogecoin will be 180 billion. It's not that crazy high. There are currently 18 million Bitcoins in circulation and it has a market cap of 900 billion. The second largest crypto, Ethereum, has a market cap of 200 billion, similar to Dogecoin. Ethereum also doesn't have a coin cap. Over the years, Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown strength and weaknesses. So Dogecoin is not really looking too much like a sure thing. I wanted to bring you guys this up-to-date information because yes, could it hit $1? Yes, could it hit $10? But will it ever hit $100? And they're thinking, no, it's not too likely that it will. And Ethereum and Bitcoin, look at where they're at, guys. You wanted to invest into something that's going to really bring you a great profit. I mean, that's why we're doing this, right? We're investing our hard-earned money to try to make more money. It takes money to make money. So I'm with you guys, looking for something that is really going to be profitable, that we can invest our hard-earned money into, that will one day bring us a great profit. So that way we can help with things that we need to do and also keep investing. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. All right, guys, so let's talk about the surprise that I was telling you about in the beginning of this video. So I'm actually doing another giveaway, and this time for 1,250 subscribers. We're so close, but I want to offer you guys some prizes that you can win, and we're gonna have 3 options, 3 things that you could win, and all you have to do is subscribe, comment Dogecoin to the moon, and you're entered in to win a prize of your choice out of 3 options. I won't tell you what they are. You have to stay tuned to find out. I'm posting that video tomorrow morning, so hit that bell icon to make sure you don't miss getting in on that video. Until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.